The future is now, and it's powered by AI. Have you heard about the Chinese tech giant Baidu that just announced the launch of its new generative AI? Baidu. This company made its AI public and has set a whole new standard for the development of AI. The Ernie bot is Baidu's latest generative AI product large language model that can comprehend human intentions and deliver accurate, logical, and fluent responses up to the human level. The best part about this is that it can do all those things that other AI bots lack, like other AI models that specialize in just one area, like text-based accurate answers, to generate another type of output. With Ernie, you can generate multiple modes of output. To make any kind of AI better and more refined, a lot of data is needed. This is exactly why Baidu decided to launch their Ernie bot to the public. With so many users using the chatbot, a huge pool of data will be collected by the company to make the AI more advanced. China, however, isn't the only place Baidu wants this AI to perform. They are looking to make this AI available in other markets around the world and crush its competitors. The journey of Ernie bot. Ernie bot's journey started back in 2019 when researchers at Tsinghua University launched Ernie 1.0. This early model was designed to prove the immense capabilities of AI. Baidu combined the text and knowledge graph data to improve natural language understanding. This laid the very foundation for other versions of Ernie that would soon follow. After the success of the 1.0 model, Baidu decided to carry forward with the development, refine it further, and come up with the Ernie 2.0. This model turned out to be a greater success and even scored 90 on the GLUE benchmark, which isn't easy. Then Baidu decided to keep pushing this tech to no new heights, and in 2021, Baidu released the Ernie 3.0. This is the model that made headlines since it could surpass capabilities and performance on the SuperGLUE natural language benchmark. Not only that, but this model also outperformed all the other tech giants like Google and Microsoft. Ernie 3.0 represents a significant leap in the world of natural language. In March of 2023, Baidu made this piece of tech public for people to use. Baidu announced the release of this tool in a press conference in Beijing while releasing the Ernie 3.5. The 3.5 Titan is the latest iteration of these foundational models. The Titan comes with a huge increase in the number of parameters available for processing and understanding language. This bump in parameters shows us that this model is a lot more complex and has a much greater potential than the previous models. There are rumors that since this model can respond to a wide range of user inputs, it might be on par with ChatGPT 4.0, if not better than it. The architecture of this model. The two main models this AI is working on are Ernie and Plato. Ernie is a foundational AI model. This model has a unique way of working. It keeps learning from huge and unlabeled datasets through semantic analysis. This allows the model to be able to understand information from different sources of data, allowing for a broader scope of knowledge integration. On the other hand, Plato specializes in dialogue generation. What this model does is it works on different types of conversations, which could be anything from casual conversation to deep and complex discussions, which is why Ernie can deliver responses tailored to a wide range of users. What this bot is capable of. The Ernie bot introduced by Baidu represents a significant leap in the field of artificial intelligence. This advanced AI product has some amazing capabilities that we don't see in other AI models. Because of its ability to analyze semantically, the model can comprehend human intentions, which allows it to understand the context and subtleties of human communication. This doesn't just understand human emotions, but can deliver responses that not only show accuracy, but also give a logical and fluent response, making it as close to human-level understanding as possible. Understanding human emotions is indeed impressive, but that's not all this bot can do. This bot is known to be extremely versatile, meaning it doesn't just understand responses. The Ernie bot offers an engaging level of interactions, like engaging in meaningful meaningful conversations, generating content, reasoning with knowledge, and most importantly yet, it can generate multiple types of outputs. This versatility tells us that the Ernie bot can be useful in many different scenarios and has the potential to redefine AI completely. Some ways Ernie bot can be used. Ernie bot has a few features that make this AI chatbot different from other AI chatbots. Firstly, this AI bot can be used in plugins. These plugins let the bot do several different things. What happens is that these plugins give the model more information to use. This makes Ernie versatile and a pro in different scenarios. For example, a plugin called Wangxin Yige lets Ernie generate content that is on the creative side, like telling stories and even writing song lyrics. It all just depends on what you throw at it. If you want to use Ernie for your businesses, then you might want to use the Wangxin Qianfan plugin. This plugin can write all kinds of documents and reports for your business by taking inputs from you and using the plugin's predefined templates. Baidu also allowed the Ernie bot to be integrated into their search engine. This is a clever tactic because, unlike ChatGPT, Ernie can now access more real-time data and isn't bound to any data cutoffs. This is a much-needed feature that makes sure that the data is both highly accurate and allows users to get data about events that happened just recently from the data online. If a person wants Ernie to write a document for them, the bot can go online, look at other related documents, and write one while keeping any kind of legal changes into consideration. Ernie bot's challenges. This AI bot does come with its own set of challenges. There is a concern about the information it spits out and whether that information is actually accurate. Since the bot uses the Chinese search engine Baidu to access its information, some people wonder if the data is even trustworthy. Making sure that the data it has is up to date, factually accurate, and free of any bias is a must if they want the bot to be labeled as credible. While Ernie does offer content generation in the form of stories, there is still a need to make sure that the kind of text the AI bot spits out is appropriate and won't harm anyone. Some people are still skeptical and have said the company still needs to improve in terms of filtering and quality control mechanisms. Ensuring that the AI bot's generated content aligns with user expectations and societal norms is a #1 priority. Apart from the technical issues, there are ethical issues that need to be considered too. As this AI keeps getting better day by day, there are concerns about how much data is going to be stored safely and securely. Not only that, but with every kind of data, there may be bias present in it, which needs to be eliminated to make the AI system as fair as possible. If not taken seriously, this can affect the society in a very negative way. Ernie bot is deflecting questions. One thing that Ernie seems to be doing is it keeps on deflecting questions. Any input from the user that the chatbot thinks is offensive is automatically avoided. When users ask questions that touch on politically sensitive topics, human rights issues, or matters that the Chinese government may find uncomfortable, Ernie tends to provide evasive responses or suggest changing the topic. This is because China has strict rules and regulations when it comes to services that involve public opinions or social media stuff that can influence societal views. This means that AI models like Ernie, which can interact with the public and provide information or engage in discussions, have to follow these rules and restrictions. According to these regulations, Ernie has to avoid giving off any kind of response that undermines national unity or state power, since the Chinese government is closely monitoring and controlling the content generated by AI models like Ernie. For example, if you ask the bot if Xi Jinping or his predecessor, Hu Jintao, is sick, the bot immediately replies with, "Let's talk about something else." If you have made it this far in the video, comment agreed, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest AI updates. Click on the bell icon to be updated with the most exciting content as soon as it's uploaded. Thanks for watching. See you again soon in another video.